Whenever you're ready.
What?
Whenever you're ready.
Alright, so I did question number 3, and for option option 1, A, it asked me if it's an arithmetic or geometric, and it's arithmetic because it adds by 2. And for option 2, it's geometric because it's multiplied by 3. And the rule for option 1 is an equals a1 plus n minus 1 in parentheses times d. And that a1 is equal to 500, so it equals an equals 500 plus n minus 1 times 200, which goes out to an equals 500 plus 200n minus 200. So you do 500 minus 200, which gets you an equals 300 plus 200n. And here we have S sub n equals n in parentheses a sub 1 plus a sub n divided by 2. So we don't know what n equals, so you put S sub n equals n times 500, because that's what a sub 1 equals, plus a sub n divided by 2. And for option T, because it's geometric, the equation is a sub n equals a sub 1 times the ratio with exponential n minus 1. So then it turns out to a sub n equals 0.05, because that's how much the nickel is worth, times 3, and then n minus 1. And that's what you get. So then you have S sub n equals S sub 1 divided, and then inside the parentheses you have 1 minus r raised n divided by 1 minus r. And r is the ratio, so we put in 3 for r. And for S sub 1, it's still the nickel, which is 5 equals 5 cents, so it's 0.05. And that's what you get.
Oh. We learned how to do arithmetic and geometric sequences, equations, and know which equations to use, and telling them apart too. And that's what we learned. The better option for number 6, number 5, which one's better is the nickels, because in the long term, since it's tripling, it'll outpace the option A, that is a arithmetic, which is only increasing by 200, versus the nickels one, even though it's starting lower, is increasing by triple.
So for number 4, they use the numbers 500, 700, 900, and 1, 3, and 9. For option 1, the geometric series equation, s to the 10 equals 500 in parentheses 1 minus 1.4 to the 10th power divided by 1 minus 1.4 in brackets equals 69.81366,374. The arithmetic series is s to the 10th equals 10 in parentheses 500 plus 500 times 10 under 2, which equals 50,000. For option 2, the geometric sequence, a n equals 1 in parentheses 3 to the n minus 1. S to the 10th equals 1 in parentheses 3 to the 10 minus 1, which equals s to the 10th equals 3/9. S to the 10th equals 19,683. For the arithmetic sequence, an equals 500 plus in parentheses n minus 1 outside the parentheses 200. S to the 10th equals 500 plus 200 n minus 200. S to the 10th equals 500 plus 200n. S to the 10th equals 300 plus 200 in parentheses 10. S to the 10th equals 300 plus 2000. S to the 10th equals 22,300. And for option C, the arithmetic series S to the nth equals n in parentheses a1 plus an under 2. S to the 64th equals 64 in parentheses 500 plus 500 to 64th under 2, which equals 1,040,000. For option D, the geometric series, an equals a1 in parentheses r uppercase n minus 1. That's the equation. And you plug in 0.05 in parentheses 0.10 to the 64th minus 1 power, which equals 5 times 10 to the negative 65th power. And that will conclude